Here we are, folks. This is going to be the final set of time trials we're going to have here for Custom Carnage 6. This will set the field. We'll put all the groupings together and have us some racing action here in about a week or so. You know the drill by now, folks. I'm not going to do a lot of talking here. I'm going to show you the cars. We're going to race them down the track 2 times, and the best time we're going to show you, we'll also show you the second time. We're only going to show you the first full run of their best time. Let's get right on to it, folks. We got a lot of cars to get through and a short time to do it in. Alright folks, I had to butt in here for just a second. Ricochet from Ruckus Racing, I love the car, but unfortunately it looks like the back wheels came undone, the back axle came undone, and the wheels are setting too far up now. Will not even make it out of the starting gate. I'm sorry I didn't get in touch with you, but I didn't figure you'd have enough time to get another car sent in here. I hope this don't make you not want to join us again, because we definitely enjoy having you here. Once again, sorry to Ruckus Racing and Ricochet. Here it is, folks, the moment you've all been waiting on, the final results from our time trials. 93 cars were sent in, and just 10 cars short of setting the record, or of tying the record. What a hell of a turnout we had coming up this season again. I appreciate each and every one of you for making this possible. Folks, sending in all these cars has been wonderful. You can pause this at any time and check out the leaderboard, as it was Mr. Dark taking the pole position. He held off for quite some time, but will he be able to hold on for the championship? We're about to find out here in just about a week, as we're going to start some custom Carnage 6 racing. Like I said, I'm sorry about putting this points up so fast here on you folks. But, you know, you can always pause it or go back and watch the whole video again. I don't mind that either. I'd like to thank each and every one you see here on the screen for making this channel possible, and each and every one of you for tuning in. And all those great builders who sent in their cars this season. Wow! I cannot wait to get the racing action started. Remember, folks, this is a bad world that we're living in, but it could get better. All we got to do is do our own little parts and brighten up someone's day and do some kind things along the way. Until next time, race fans, happy racing and God bless.